All right, in this video, if we've shot a video or a Matterport tour for you, I'm going to show you how to manage the links or how to get the links or how to download the video. If you see the View My Videos link right here, click on it. And what it will do is it shows you as a tab for the different things that are loaded in. So let's say you have a video right here. This is the actual link to the Vimeo video, which you see right there. If you want a copy of that link, you can click on the share button, and this is the actual link right here to that. So you can highlight that, copy and paste it to wherever you want to go. So for any video, again, you can click share. If you want it to go to Facebook, email, whatever, you can do that. But if you just want to copy that link, here's how to get a hold of that link. Just drag, highlight, and copy that link right there. If we have sent you, or if we've shot a video for you and you want to download it and load it directly into Facebook or Instagram, you would click download just like you would from Dropbox. You could download that and it will go directly to your downloads. If we have shot, now this one's a little trickier. If we have shot a Matterport tour for you, they make it easy to share it to social media or to find an embed code. Let's say you wanted to put it on your website or on a blog or whatever, you could highlight this. That's your whole embed code. But if you just want a link, it's pretty difficult to get it. So click on that to open it up. Then if you highlight one of these, any of the little icons on this page, and right click on it, you will see it says open frame and new tab. If you want to get the link to that and save it out of here, open a new tab or a new window. And what you will actually wind up doing is opening up that Matterport tour. Then if you click up here in your browser box, if you click in there, you will see the entire link to that tour. So really then all you would do is highlight that, hit Control or Command C to copy it, and then you could paste it. This would be useful if you wanted to paste this on social media, if you wanted to put it in a link in an email, if you wanted to email it to your client. This is a good way to handle a Matterport tour. And that is something that I'm not quite sure if there is a better way to do that. If somebody finds a better way to get a hold of the link to a Matterport tour off of here, let me know. Now, we would have emailed it to you if we shot a Matterport tour, so we'll send the links to you in an email, but trying to get them out of full frame, I have not found an easier way than opening it up, right-clicking on an icon, and then opening frame a new tab, or you could do open frame in a new window, and that would get you to that tour. But so this is how to watch your videos, get links to your videos. Again, right here on the share, just highlight that. And Matterport, I've got the same link here for the branded and unbranded. That's how to find that, and then how to download your videos.